Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLOV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day on this one with a pullback here, so certainly some updates here need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here. Just go ahead and get rid of these lines up there. Sure, they still pertain. They're just not really relevant right now from the presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first dynamic is, in terms of if there is any sort of attempted bounces in the upwards direction, where are these main levels of resistance at? And then in the very near term, that first key battleground to watch very closely, going to be right up there at $8.75. So going forward, if this sideways action, which has basically been chopping around, so if that continues and then eventually starts to curl back upwards, the first big question mark is not necessarily can the price get back up to 875, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay up above it? So we'll want to watch that very closely here moving forward in terms of whether or not there is any sort of true bullish push, or if there might just be some sort of kind of more dead cat bounce type move. So definitely keep a close eye on that 875 mark, like I said, if there is any sort of attempted movements in the upwards direction. In terms of levels of support, first key level of support now to watch very closely, going to be right down there at $8.25. This is just an important level just because during that pullback right there, that's where the buyers finally stepped back in. So it's a question of, if the price does go down there, are those buyers going to step in once again, or what exactly is going to play out at that level? So watch that closely. And if that level cannot quite hold up, then the next key overarching level is all about that pink line down there, which on my chart denotes the very well known, the very famous 200 period moving average, currently valued at $7.85. So overall, those are going to be the main dynamics to watch here moving forward into Wednesday. So let's see how it continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.